Welcome to Module 3. Up until now, we've used Gemini Notebook to organize our own curriculum planning. Now, let's look at how to generate instant student-facing materials. In this video, we'll explore the Studio panel on the right side of your notebook, showing you how to create comprehensive study guides, briefing docs, and auto-graded quizzes in just one click. On the right side of your screen, you'll find the Studio panel. This is your content generation hub. Clicking on Reports or Study Guide instantly synthesizes all your uploaded sources into a structured handout, complete with key term definitions, central themes, and short answer review questions. You can copy this directly into Google Docs or send it straight to Google Classroom. Next to it, click the quiz tile in the Studio panel. You can customize the length, difficulty, and topics such as mudlarks during the Victorian era, and hit Generate. Gemini Notebook automatically builds an interactive quiz directly inside your studio. Students can test their knowledge with immediate feedback on correct answers and source notes. If a student misses a question, clicking Explain triggers the AI to break down the reasoning in the main chat, pulling exact quotes from your source files and suggesting logical follow-up review prompts. You can also save those detailed explanations directly into your notes for future reference. In just a few clicks, you've turned complex primary sources into tailored, grounded study tools for your classroom. Next up, we'll take learning a step further by looking at how to generate interactive audio overviews and visual mind maps and infographics using the new media tools in Gemini Notebook. See you in the next lesson.